Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DNB something went wrong error. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. A poor connection can cause this error in the app. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for DNB, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few while and reopen it. Temporary system glitches can sometimes trigger this message. Next, restart your phone and try using the app again. You should also check in the App Store, search for DNB, and check whether the DNB app is updated to the latest version or not. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it if you've already not updated it. Now, if the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the app from the official App Store. Sometimes the error can also happen during bank server issues, so trying again later may help. That's how you fix the DNB something went wrong error.